I have appeared in a matter against Dattakuru Sawant on a complaint filed by me of disproportionate assets. The inquiry was conducted by SP Shekhar Prabhudesai, who has come to a finding that the charges against Dattakuru Sawant have been proved. So any investigation now into the FIR against me by Dattakuru Sawant will be biased, and in the interest of justice, I have requested the acting DGP that the investigation be handed over to any other officer. Dattakuru Sawant, even if he tries his best to find something, he will not find in that FIR, because that FIR is entire fabricated. And tomorrow Dattakuru Sawant decides to close that FIR, he will be accused of having shielded me because of the case I filed against him.
इतले मजगती क्रायम ब्रांचीन आयरिशाक परत समन्स धाडला. शुक्रारा आयरिशान समन्स चुकत जाल्यार चौकशेत तो सहकार्य करिना अशें धरून क्रायम ब्रांच फुडले पावल उखलतली. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट शिरीष कुंकळेकर.